What you're about to see is a presentation proudly brought to you by Truceuticals and Noxicare for natural pain relief. Noxicare. Be smart. Go natural.
Doctor, tell me about your book.
Well, Kim, I believe in the theory of inflammation and pain. Inflammation can lead to pain in various medical conditions. Inflammation happens on a molecular level when we don't see it or feel it on a daily basis, which can lead to pain and medical conditions and diseases. There are three ways to reduce inflammation: nutrition, exercise, and diet supplements. In my book, I focus on these three facts, as well as traditional Western, as well as Eastern complementary alternative pain treatments. There's a lot that we can do to help reduce our pain through the food we eat and the lifestyle we choose.
So you're telling me that food also has an impact.
And some of the examples of the food that can be beneficial to you include red grapes, cherries, spinach, broccoli, fish, and even red meat, which is rich in alpha-lipoic acid. Some of the herbs that then can be used in cooking that can help minimize the pain include turmeric, ginger, as well as rosemary.
Now, let's talk about lifestyle. What advice do you have?
I always tell my patients to exercise daily, move every joint in your body. In the old times when people had back pain, we used to tell them rest, but now we say go out and do things. Quit smoking, lose weight, decrease your alcohol intake, reduce the stress in your life by using different techniques, make a routine and daily schedule, again, to reduce stress. Practice positive thinking and get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night.
Now, we know your patients are thrilled with Noxicare, but let's talk about clinical studies.
One of the studies actually showed that 90% of the people who used Noxicare, they had reduction in pain, and 60% of those people said their pain was reduced by half in a very short period of time. I'm very proud of that, and if you're in pain, that's significant.
So, doctor, if our viewers are suffering from pain or they know somebody suffering from pain, what advice would you give them?
Well, my advice is don't accept pain. Don't live with pain. Pain can lead into anxiety, depression, disability. It can affect your relationship with family members and friends. Also, treat pain early on. A lot of studies have shown that if you don't treat pain early on or undertreat it, it can lead into chronic pain, which is much harder to treat. As a first-line treatment, I recommend natural solutions, which is much safer than prescription medications. And if your pain persists or worsens, always consult your physician. Treating pain is a whole lifestyle, and it's very important to remember that we're trying to improve your quality of life. I see pain sufferers every day in my medical practice, and I believe that people can free themselves from pain in a natural and safe way and have a better quality of life. And that's why I created Noxicare.
What you've just seen was a presentation proudly brought to you by Truceuticals and Noxicare for natural pain relief. Noxicare. Be smart. Go natural.